Good afternoon. My name is Ladi Joseph. I'm currently studying investment analysis. It's a master's degree at Aston University. Prior to this, I was working in consulting for a year. And before this, I also had engineering background coming from Loughborough University. And now for the purpose of this video, I'm to explain my goals for the future. Everything that I've done in terms of everything I've done to reach this point, starting with my master's course and what I believe I've achieved through there. So in terms of my, say, 5-year plan, I seek first to secure a role within the financial services field. So I'm strategically looking at investment banking and trading prop shops as my two main avenues for entry, and hoping to then from here gain experience leading up to working in private equity, using my experience from strategy consulting to build a solid foundation through here. I do also have some businesses that I'm working on and trying to build on the side. I currently have a sports events company. We run tournaments across London, and we're looking to start doing leagues and starting to build grassroots football up from the entire United Kingdom and hopefully beyond. Some other things I'm working on as well is hopefully using my skills in investment analysis to build an adequate investment portfolio involving stocks, equities, and obviously looking into property within the United Kingdom. Now, why do I want to learn, or what do I want to learn and experience from the Aston Business Clinic? Now, I believe this is such an important opportunity. First of all, to support the development and the growth of small and medium-sized enterprises within the country. I've been able to work with a few of these companies starting off, and I believe that the impact that these have on the UK as a whole, on our economy, and also being able to form myself, gain those skills necessary in being in a company of that size, really having that responsibility will be very key in my aspirations moving forward. And also working on a project which you know is going to have real world impacts. There are a few things I know I'll gain from here, such as being able to obviously enhance my employability skills, my professional skills, and being able to work in an environment where I'm able to work with different people from diverse backgrounds to be able to build something for the future. In terms of what I believe that I can bring to the team, obviously I've looked at the 3 core roles that are going to be sort of built upon within this, as an evidence-based analyst, as a critical and reflective thinker, and as a practical problem solver. And I believe through my experience so far working on various projects within my consulting firm, even working within Aston University on such projects such as what we did for the Aston Villa Foundation. And thankfully through this, my team was one of the 5 selected because of our innovative and detailed approach to being able to properly solve some of the problems that were outlined to us. Now, I believe I can be able to fill in any of these roles, and hopefully we'll see how we work together as a team, if this is going to be something set in stone, or being able to wear these hats to try to reach a solution. Obviously, the skills that I've gained within data science, data analysis, looking at different stocks and being able to build portfolios links quite well to the evidence-based analyst side. And I'm looking to definitely improve and grow my skills within this area. So in terms of what challenges I anticipate that I may face working in teams, some strengths could also be some weaknesses. I will see diverse working styles. Team members will come from different backgrounds, and I think being able to work together and bring this together will be an issue, but a very good challenge to try and solve together. Another which may not be one of the best challenges is uneven work distribution. But I believe through, again, my knowledge in project management, we can be able to make sure that all team members are adequately contributing towards the goals that we want to achieve as a whole. Miscommunication as well, lack of clarity. And I believe that's something that we can help to bring about through having adequate communication channels that we've discussed in terms of when we first started the project, and being able to be open-minded and listen to each other as well in terms of being able to work on the ad hoc problems that we might face. Decision-making conflicts as well. This is something that will be very key to work on, again, with the structure of the team and how we choose to arrive at those decisions, obviously using some sort of democratic process and one based on, again, having the best decision put forward for the client. And again, being able to ensure that everyone has the same commitment levels. That will obviously be hard to sort of push on or push forward, but we'll try to make sure that we work as best as we can as a team to be able to achieve our goals moving forward.